Hello and welcome back, everybody. We are at EPCOT tonight, mainly because I realized that Harmonious ends in a couple days and I haven't seen it yet. So we're here to watch Harmonious, and there's two new pins I want to try to find. So let's go see if we can find the pins first, maybe ride a few rides and catch Harmonious. Oh ho ho, look who we found!
Oh, hey! Fancy seeing you!
Yeah, right?
This whole park, we found you.
Now we've been here from the get-go. They're getting a little bit of noms. What'd you get?
The charred grilled bison ribeye.
Ham, I'm going to assume you're not getting that one.
You are correct.
Sounds pretty tasty, though. All right, let's leave them alone, let them eat, and then we'll go from there. I see fire. Oh, it smells good. Hello. Oh, I'm all right. How are you? Yeah.
So we got the bison ribeye, creamy leek fondue, and then a goat cheese situation, whipped goat cheese.
Goat cheese,
something.
pink, purpley
Meow, meow,
goat
meow.
cheese.
It was goat cheese whipped something. I can't remember now. So.
The goat had been eating a lot of rhubarb.
Eating a lot of something. Is it good? And it was what, $8.25 or something like that? Not that she can answer right now, but
it's great.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to see if I can find something else. I know there's some shrimp at one of the booths, and might give it a try. Oh, I can get the orange bird smoothie. No cup this time. I don't need the $15 cup, just the $5 smoothie. Possibly, yeah, I don't know. We'll have to go look it up. All right. There's the short rib. Ham's already into his, and I heard it. So.
I had some of the kimchi here, so.
Yep, so what was the aioli? Wasabi aioli.
Mayo.
Impossible short rib, leek, and it claims it's kimchi. It doesn't look like much of the kimchis I've ever had, but yeah, it's fine.
You are living your goof troop
Oh
life.
yes, yeah, I got the 90s haircut and everything going here. All right, I'm most curious about the impossible short rib here, so that's what I'm going to start with. Ooh. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's a little firmer texture than I was expecting. Kind of like a extra firm tofu, really. Oh, there's a little bit of spice in there too.
That's pretty good. I'm happy with that.
I'm curious about the kimchi though. And I've got a spoon because I didn't think this through. Well, I thought it through to a different ending. It doesn't smell very kimchi-y.
It's got that like sour.
Yeah, it's there. It's all right. You know my favorite kimchi, but it works. Yeah, all right. Ooh. The sleeper of this dish, though, the rice. The rice is real good. It is 100% the sleeper.
I figured it might be good.
I could just have this whole thing of rice. I think I'd be happy. Ooh, lots of bubbles. Good thing Quinn's not here. I see my boy. Hold on. I want to get a good shot of this. Ah, there he is. Look at him being all dapper. Look at him.
He's on our wall.
It's a terrible glare, and I don't think I can fix that. That's about the best I can do.
We can put Donald on our wall.
Oh, you could. You could.
Actually, all of the 100 stuff, I want. Like,
well, I'm going to have too much fun with that if I don't stop. Looky. What would this come out to? There's not a price on it. I might have to get the coffee cup. $5. The Tupperware's new.
retro Tupperware.
And it's free. It has no price.
This one's 10.
Not to do the stereotypical dad joke, but the big one doesn't have price.
And then this is the best one.
Well, let's see if this one does. Oh, there it goes. 20. It's not terrible. Nope, that's new too. I don't remember that from last time.
What's this look like? A little planter or something? No.
Mission was not Oh no, I don't see it here. I'm gonna have to go to the other pin store, I bet. Oh, I see one. Excuse me, I'm gonna reach in front of you here a little bit. Okay, so there's one of the pins. Where's the other one? There it is. And there's the other pin. They had one of each.
Look at him.
One of each.
Wow.
Yeah.
The ones.
Seriously, they were both here and here. Oh, well, yep, there's my luck for the day. Alright, I had to get this lanyard because bolt. Nope, lights are going down. Oh, Donald's vibrating.
All around us, the world is alive.
Yep, I guess we'll push up.
Yeah, Charlie, go.
Come on,
I've
let's
seen
try to let
this.
something.
No, we're not.
Charlie, go. Go up there.
Watch them together.
I'm fine. I'm going to let the little kids get up there.
Calling out in search of one another, we find each other in song.
Of course.
You're fine.
That kebab was actually really spicy. The aftertaste, but it's also really good. You want?
enjoyable show, honestly. I don't see what the big deal is about it. Why people don't like it. I understand that, you know, the Stargate and the tacos take away from some of the beauty and just World Showcase in general. Show itself should not have gotten grief over that. Show was actually pretty good. Now, I do know the rumor is that they're going to move that over to Animal Kingdom. So Animal Kingdom will have a show, so maybe it'll fit a little better there. Put it in the lagoon there. But overall, enjoyed the show. We found both of our pins that we were after. Tried a little bit of food. Wasn't too bad. We're going to call it a night. Now it's time to rest and relax. If you've made it this far, I do want to ask you, if you've enjoyed what you've been watching, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It would mean a lot for the channel. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you again next time.